Treasures, where we're always looking for the meow factor. It's been a while since we've done a video, so Tracy and I decided we were going to do one. We've been really busy trying to get everything out of our warehouse. As you can tell, we've done a tremendous job just trying to get stuff out of here and get it to wherever it's going to go. We bought a new truck. Got my new, we named our truck Bubba Flare, because the inside of it's got camo on it, and our cat Flareon has gone missing now for about a month. So a little bit upset, but you know, keeping the dream alive. They might come back. We got a couple of things that we want you to keep an eye out for. Tracy discovered these handy dandy knives. These are cooking knives. What did you call
Those are cleavers. Certain brands have value. I haven't actually looked this brand up.
They look to be the same as the one that we saw before. They're almost like the exact same ones. They got rust on them, but a little bit of navel jelly will take care of that. We got a couple boxes we're going to go through for you and stuff like that. And this first one says, repackaged M&M's Color Books, Miscellaneous Toys. And it is actually dated at 6/25/2019. Whoa. What do we got here? Well, we got a couple of baseballs. Those are going to be going to Goodwill. Glove, go to Goodwill. It's like a little bear. It's got jewels in it.
Let me see that. Okay.
Okay. You want me to go get it?
I'll look at this one.
I think it's a Happy toy.
Yeah.
I have no idea what kind of a toy that is, but
it's wooden.
It's got a string, it's wooden, it's vintage.
It'll go in the booth.
It'll either go in the booth or I will sell it. Oh, look at that pencil. That's a big, long...
Bendy pencil.
Bendy pencil. Alright, let's see what kind of books we got. Fun pads. Some of them can be good, some of them are bad. Giant coloring books. And then we got nothing but books. Okay. Thing with coloring books that you got to look for is what?
Not colored in.
And it's always the first few pages. Look at that. We're going to do that, and then a couple pages in there. That's basically going to be going to Goodwill. 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 Goodwill.
It takes something very special for us to keep one that's been colored in.
Yeah. Goodwill.
Nah.
Goodwill. I looked at the date. This is just a packet.
Hold on to that. That's kind of cool. That might go in the booth.
Yeah. Over there. The fun pad. Going to Goodwill.
Going to just go out on a limb and say that we will hold on to this box and just go through it off camera. I'm not seeing a lot of interest in here.
What we're looking for is things like this that are fairly old, but what we want to do is, I don't want to see that.
Right.
When I see barcodes, I know that it's not near as old, and it's not...
Only if it wasn't colored in would we keep it.
Yeah. I'm going to put these back in there.
Looney Tunes is kind of a little bit hot right now.
Yeah. Mainly because of all of the stupid
controversy going on right now.
We're gonna stop Pepe Le Pew. Okay, whatever. All right. Here's another box that we'll go through.
Right on top, I see Jersey.
Yeah. Let's see. It says Champs. It's
Atlanta Braves.
Champs #1. My guess is this is going to be from 1995. It's majestic.
Yep. Not the greatest, but
made in USA, so it's definitely vintage.
Older. That's cool.
Looks like we might have another one.
Mudcats.
Mudcats.
Is that a minor league?
It is. It is a minor league team. It is a majestic.
Thing about those is those are a little more rare.
They are. And it is made in the USA. That's one of the things you want to look for jerseys, is made in the USA.
Ooh. That is definitely...
Low
flip that around for us.
St. John's, U.S. Virgin Islands.
That's cool. Very vintage.
I've been not to St. John's, I've been to St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands when I was in the military.
These, just kind of normal designed pieces like that. Not really a lot of interest.
Yeah, I'm looking for
T-shirts with things printed on them.
the Falcons. That might be, those two-tone shirts are pretty good though.
That has been cut in the neck.
Yeah, no good. No good. Anything cut in the neck is not any good.
It's got to be very special,
Yeah.
we'll say.
Just going to go through this real quick like that. Tie-dyes. There's a t-shirt. Oh, it's what do we got here? Oh, it's a skull.
It is.
Look at that.
Nah. It's just going to be like a Walmart T-shirt or something.
Yeah, no boundaries.
Nothing else really of excitement in here that I'm seeing. There's a T-shirt. That's inside out.
It is.
It has a printed on tag, so that's not going to be that old.
Yeah.
Peach State, Georgia. Nah.
All right. Well,
What do we got?
let's see what we got over here.
Looks like we've got kitchen stuff up. Oh, we're going to go this way. More clothes.
Clothes. Okay, I see the pony. I don't really see much. I'm not seeing the Meow Factory.
Fry it and fry again. Yeah, these are older but not ultra vintage.
Here we go. Okay, these are racing pants.
Flow.
For, motorcycles.
Okay.
Motocross. This right here. This is the Wow Factor right here.
Those
Or
are
the Meow Factor. Sorry, I don't do
those are pretty cool.
thing right here. This right here, I'm guessing we can get probably $50 for that.
I was gonna guess about 40. So yeah, we're somewhat on the same page.
Oh, here's a blanket.
Nothing spectacular. Carter's
Just
maybe.
one U.
Yeah.
Yeah, Carter, whatever you called it. Okay. And,
Well, we're flying through this stuff. 'Cause we're making a Goodwill load. All right. These have food in them. Oh, fun. Rice and flour and
or what we think is flour.
yeah.
That one's clear.
Probably empty out those canisters.
Oh, look at
Those
that.
will sell in the
That is
booth.
cool. Believe it or not, I'll sell that, even though because I like it, or we'll keep it.
Probably because I think they sell those at Walmart.
Uh,
TP magazines and
okay, what does TP stand for?
toilet paper.
Toilet paper magazines.
I'm guessing that's not it. I just can't think off the top of my head what TP might actually mean. Oh,
Soldier of Fortune.
that's pretty good, I would guess.
The Massage.
The Message.
Remix.
It's a Bible.
The Message. We're going to edit that part out. I can promise you that. 'Cause
Nope.
I will get to the edit part on that one.
Brian doesn't know how to edit, so
Brian
it will
knows how
be
to edit.
included.
Brian will edit.
Nope.
Okay, that's probably
An introduction to handwriting graphology.
Oh, so we can start to learn how to do
Wood. Pioneer. Modern Pioneer. And a lot of Soldier of Fortune.
That's what I'm hoping to find right here. Is these survivalists and
Yep.
all of these types. These magazines are good. Okay, Soldier of Fortune,
Right.
and then there's the odd NASCAR.
Still not sure what TP stands for, but
Total Fitness.
that would be TF.
Your Stay Alive. TP. Total Price Factors.
That would be TPF. Dale
If you
Earnhardt.
added the S, TP. Maybe that's Tom Thomas. Tom Peter Thomas.
We got some jewelry in here. It's actually kind of interesting. I like the little piece right here. Move back to improve focus.
Okay, that's good.
This thing acts like I'm actually some sort of videographer here and not videographing with my phone.
Yeah, because you're not videographing with your phone because you've lost the GoPro. Bicycle Users Manual. cards. Yay! Let's see if we can be like other people and find money in cards.
We
That's his
found
name,
we
J.C.
found $5 in a card not last week, so don't even act like we don't ever find money in cards.
No, by just sheer number, we don't. Okay. Oh, something that I did learn about antennas. They're aluminum.
Okay.
Okay. And it was the guy over at the scrap metal place that told me about that.
So that was a good, like, what, a quarter of a cent we just threw in the scrap metal bin?
At least, because you just wanted to dog me out about every single thing that you could possibly.
Is that like a bowling brace or something?
Sure.
Okay.
I have no idea.
I was just guessing.
I think it's just for your arm, so it could be just about anything. What it is it's Goodwill fodder.
Are you finished?
Well, it looks to me like with the stuff that's on here, we got to get through all of this stuff and figure out what we're going to do with that. We wanted to see if anybody knew what these were right here.
I'm guessing it's for like some sort of ski type thing.
Yeah, we were thinking for either snow skis or maybe for snowshoes.
We would ask our children that like to go skiing and snowboarding all the time, but they don't watch our videos.
Yeah, they don't like us. Stuff like that. And this right here, Tracy thought it had something to do with something else, that goes across the face and people whip other people with it. I'd have no idea myself. This shoe got a little thing with it, and Tracy's throwing jewelry at me now. Okay, so I'm getting, Tim is getting stuff at me because you see, what we have here is we have Tim. Okay, there's Tim. All right. Okay, so about the best thing that we found is the pants and stuff like that. The magazines, those are great when we lot them up.
Oh yeah, I think those.
Couple of jerseys, cool toy that I have no idea really what it is or anything like that. We got just more stuff that we got to go through, and unfortunately we're running out of time. But I will promise you this: Tracy and I will be buying storage units next month.
Yes.
Okay, so be on the lookout for brand new storage units. With safes, yes, Mother, we will find you a unit with a safe that I will open on camera with you there so you can dog me out for opening up this safe and everything like that.
And one of these days I'll find my GoPro and I'll be like a little bit more professional. Just a hair, because we're all about the professionalism here on Jack's Treasures Storage
Jack's
Unit
Treasures.
channel.
Yeah, Jack's Treasures Storage Units channel, so make sure that you like, share, and
subscribe if you like this high level of professionalism.
Yes, we are the highest level of professionalism, and you can see the excitement in what we do right here.
But,
and by the way, all of this can be yours for the low price of $359.59. Okay,
if nothing else, we like to show you what storage units are really like, not like what you see on Storage Wars.
And you don't even see like the box that I threw in the complete garbage that we look at the box and it says someone's court papers.
Right.
The whole box is full of nothing court papers. We just threw the whole box out.
Or where I was literally picking through just to pull out little pieces of scrap jewelry that I put into a jar, and when I fill the jar up over here of scrap broken jewelry, then I sell the jar for like $7 in my antique booth. That's real life storage unit.
This is the real storage unit stuff right here that you don't see on the TV, along with the fact that we found a dead rat in one of the things that we did the other day. That was awful and stuff like that. But
ask Brian who handled the dead rat incident.
Okay. So we wanted to show you this little pumpkin head guy that we're going to be sticking in our booth because I think it's amazing. Now, we do need people to look at this and tell us what they think. Should we glue the head down onto it or just leave it as a two-piece? Okay, I say leave it as a two-piece. Tracy wants me to go ahead and glue the head down.
The only actual person outside of me and Brian we've talked to so far, which is our neighbor's Turf King. Shout out to Turf King. He thinks that we should glue it on. So if you would like your vote to count, leave a comment below.
And also help us out giving him a good name for the tag.
Okay? Otherwise, his name will be Percy the Pumpkinhead.
Percy the Blue Pumpkinhead.
Anyhow, we will let you go.
Yep.
Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Bye.